Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Tuesday, February 16th, 2016. Well, folks, take a look at the IBB, basically consolidating right around the highs of the day. And again, I called for a bounce last week. We bought a key biotech double ETF to give us extra exposure. All right, take a look at this right now. So if we go to the daily chart, I want to show you why we did this. And what we ended up doing was in the research center, we bought the BIB, which gave us multiples of the IBB, the biotech ETF, on the long side. That's important, the long side. Now, how did I know that the IBB was going to bounce down here? Well, very simply, this is the daily chart. Again, you can see it starting to move up. It actually probably has some more upside, but I took over 10% profit on it already today. But the reasoning really came in on the larger time frame. Take a look at this chart. The weekly chart, when we picked up the BIB, which is, again, multiple length ETF of the IBB, it was right off the weekly 200 moving average. So when you see that, when you see the IBB hitting the 200 on a straight shot down here with a time count, and again, this is dealing with cycle work and stuff like that, you buy. I mean, you don't think twice, you just buy. And that's what we did here, folks. And ultimately, we just closed out a 10% plus winner in basically a week on the IBB. In addition, I was smart enough to know if the IBB was going to bounce, the QQQ was also going to bounce, and the Qs have really had a tremendous bounce. Take a look at the last few days. 1, 2, 3, getting close to the 20 moving average here on the QQQ. So what did we end up doing? We bought a multiple of the QQQ, the QLD. All right, this is the Ultra QQQ ETF. So you're getting a multiple of that, and we just closed it out for a 7.75% gain in literally a couple days. So again, if you looked at Amazon and Google and Tesla and Netflix over the last week, about a week and a half ago, they were so crushed that in my book, it was going to bounce. When you coincided with the NASDAQ biotech ETF, it was just a no-brainer. So not only did I want exposure to the biotech specifically, but I wanted exposure to get me involved when the Netflix and Facebook and Google and Amazon, all these, the FANG stocks, for instance, when all these stocks bounce, I wanted a lot of exposure. And that's ultimately what we did. And I want to show you this, guys, right now. Here's the website, the updated third-party verified track record. Take a look right here. Under free action, just go right here, Research Center track record. Click on that and look at this, guys. How awesome is this? So far in 2016, a month and a half in, look at this. Net gain 113% just in 2016. Just one loser thus far, folks. Here's the BIB. We closed out for a 10.33% winner, and the QLD for a 7.76% winner today. And again, here you got your which direction we went, entry date, entry price, exit date, percentage win right here. So really cool stuff, guys. And again, this is the Research Center. If you want to go to the Research Center, at the top of the website, you have Investor Trade Alerts. Just go down here and click on Research Center, and here it is right here, folks. Here's the Research Center. There's a 7-day free trial. 7 days. You get free. Just imagine if you went free, you took the free trial a week ago when we bought the QLD and the BIB, and you just closed it out for that type of gain. Incredible, guys. Incredible. All right, guys, come take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center and profit for